Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Kaspa Coin and all of the options how you can buy it. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now, as you may see on CoinMarketCap, the Kaspa is going up. And to go ahead and exchange it, we're gonna scroll down and see where we can do that. Now, the most volume is on Gate.io, but the Bybit is also #1 exchange, so you can use either any of those basically, either BitGet, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bybit, Bitmart, and so on and so forth. So for today, let's go ahead and use maybe Bybit. So on Bybit application, the same goes on desktop version. You want to go ahead to your assets and click either deposit if you're depositing, or you can go ahead and buy it. So I'm gonna go on spot and click on trade, and from here I'm just gonna write down Kaspa, and you're gonna choose an option which fits you the best. So maybe for today let's choose USDT. Now you need to enter how much of Kaspa you want to go ahead and buy, and you will see then how much it will cost you. Let's enter 1000 for example, and all you have to do is click buy CAS, and after that you will see your CAS on your assets, actually on your funding account right there. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can buy Kaspa on Bybit. And for example on Gate.io it's almost the same, the spot trading, and it looks like that. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can buy Kaspa. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.